Hey everyone, today I'm going to be presenting my ISP topic on concussions. So let's get started. First off, what is a concussion? A concussion is a type of traumatic brain injury, or TBI, caused by a bump, blow, or jolt to the head, or by a hit to the body that causes the head and brain to move rapidly back and forth. Things to look for when identifying a concussion: dizziness, headaches, balance problems, disorientation, nausea, difficulty remembering, confusion, behavior or personality changes, sensitivity to light, sleep problems, tiredness, vision changes, hearing changes, decreased attention, increased irritability, feeling sluggish or foggy. What are the long-term effects of a concussion? Trouble concentrating, memory problems, irritability and other personality changes, sensitivity to light and noise, sleep disturbances, depression and other psychological problems, disorders of smell and taste. Long-term effects of concussions are rare. Most people see any symptoms resolve within a few weeks. Only about 20% of people might suffer from post-concussion syndrome, where they continue to experience symptoms after 6 weeks. However, the more concussions you get, the more likely you are to suffer from long-term consequences, especially if you don't give your brain enough time to heal between injuries. Here are some facts on concussions. People who suffer from concussions generally fully recover quickly. However, in some cases, symptoms can last for days or weeks. Those who have already had one concussion seem more susceptible to having another. The most common causes of concussions are sports injuries like football, hockey, rugby, basketball, bicycle accidents, car accidents, and falls. For about 9 in 10 people with concussions, symptoms disappear within 7 to 10 days. At least 25% of concussion sufferers fail to get assessed by medical personnel. Most cases of traumatic brain injury are concussions. In the US, athletes suffer from roughly 300,000 concussions every year. And for my class activity, I found a Kahoot game on concussions. So I'll just leave the link to this on Brightspace and you guys can go check it out. And here I found a TED Talk on living with brain injuries. The video is about 15 minutes long, so I think I'll just play like the first 5 minutes or so of it, and if you guys want to check it out later, you can do that. I'll just leave a link to it on Brightspace. Well, I guess I'll just stop the video there. Well, that's really about it for my presentation. Hope you guys didn't find it too boring. Well, thanks for watching.